Chip, 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 hey. Chip, chip, chip. Call the election now. Bro, God, we've had enough. Call the election now. You time up, bro, get up. Time come. You can hide as much. We know why you a drive the big scam bus. Them 28 book there where you shuffle up. Just understand, say everybody boy you fed up. Call the election now. Bro, God, we've had enough. Call the election now. You time up, bro, get up. Time come. Before you work, you're busy hustle instead. While the hospitals not no bed, you take we for fools and I tell pure lies, bro. We know you compromise. Call the election now. Bro, God, we've had enough. Call the election now. You time up, bro, get up. Time come. We've had enough. Believe me, you'll lose with trust. Time for justice, your system corrupt. 9 years of this, we cup full up. Call the election now. Bro, God, we've had enough. Call the election now. You time up, bro, get up. Time come. Bro, God, we've had enough. Call the election now. You time up, bro, get up. Time come.
We want it now. We're tired. We're tired of them now with them false promise. Heavenly Father God, we want you. We need your divine intervention. We need